Namaste doston. Welcome to Wealth Raah, where we simplify personal finance for you. Today we're diving into a topic that can either help you build wealth or leave you stuck in a debt trap. Credit card usage. Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering credit cards in 2024 and leveling up my financial game. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to smarter credit card use? Let's get started. In today's financial world, credit cards are everywhere. They're convenient, offer rewards, and can even help build your credit score. Sounds great, right? But here's the catch. Without the right strategies, credit cards can easily lead to overspending, hefty interest charges, and even a bad credit score. In India, many of us are drawn to credit cards because of those attractive cashback deals and discounts. But how often have you found yourself spending more just to reach a certain threshold for rewards? It happens to the best of us. And don't even get me started on the sky-high interest rates, up to 40% annually, that can turn a Rs 5,000 expense into a long-term financial burden. Let's talk about the dangers of poor credit card management. Overusing your credit card can lead to what we call a debt spiral, where you struggle to pay even the minimum due. And in India, this is a common scenario, especially when people rely on credit cards for emergencies or overspend during festivals like Diwali or weddings. Having high debt affects more than your bank account. It can hurt your CIBIL score, which is crucial if you ever plan to take a loan for a home or a car. A poor credit score can even impact your ability to get a good job or rent a flat. And then there's the emotional side. The stress, guilt, and anxiety of mounting debt can really take a toll on your mental health. It's not just about numbers. It's about how those numbers make you feel. Now that we know the risks, let's focus on strategies to use credit cards smartly. These tips can help you avoid common pitfalls while reaping the benefits. First, understand interest rates. Always remember, credit card companies make money from interest. The interest-free period is your best friend. Pay your bill in full within this period to avoid any extra charges. If your due date is on the 15th, aim to clear the full amount by then. If you can't pay in full, pay more than the minimum due. Otherwise, compounding interest will pile up and you'll end up paying way more than you intended. Next, maximize rewards, but wisely. Many Indian cards offer cashback on groceries, online shopping, or fuel. For instance, some cards give 5% cashback on Flipkart or Amazon purchases. But don't let these offers tempt you into unnecessary spending. Use rewards only on items you already plan to buy. It's about being strategic, not impulsive. Another crucial strategy is to set a monthly budget. Decide how much you can afford to spend on your credit card before the month begins. For example, if your monthly budget for food is Rs 5,000, set your card's spending limit accordingly. Stick to this budget no matter what. Apps like Walnut or MoneyView can help you track expenses and keep you accountable. They make it easier to see where your money is going and help you avoid that dreaded overspend. Monitoring your credit score is also vital. Platforms like CIBIL or Experian offer free credit reports once a year. Keeping an eye on your score helps you spot errors or unusual activity early. A healthy credit score, 700 and above, is essential for better loan terms in India. It's not just about managing your credit card. It's about managing your entire financial health. If there's one thing you take away from this video, let it be this. Always pay your credit card bill in full. This simple habit will save you from interest charges, improve your credit score, and give you peace of mind. For instance, let's say you have a bill of Rs 10,000. If you only pay the minimum due of Rs 500, the remaining Rs 9,500 starts accruing interest at a rate as high as 3.5% per month. That's Rs 300 plus added to your debt in just 1 month. Why lose money like that when you can avoid it entirely by paying the full bill? It's about making your money work for you, not against you. Mastering credit cards isn't just about avoiding debt. It's about building a secure financial future. By using credit cards wisely, you can save money, improve your credit score, and achieve long term goals like buying a home or starting a business. Remember, it's not the card, it's how you use it. In India, where financial literacy is still growing, being a smart credit card user can set you apart. You'll not only manage your money better, but also inspire others to do the same. To recap, mastering credit card usage involves understanding interest rates, using rewards wisely, setting budgets, monitoring your credit score, and most importantly, paying your bill in full every month. These small habits can make a huge difference in your financial life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wealth Raah. Let's empower each other to make smarter financial decisions. And hey, if you have your own credit card tips or questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay financially fit and keep building that wealth. Dhanyavad.